I'm sorry, perhaps what I'll do is just demonstrate the reverse turn. We are, okay, all right, we're going to, yeah. So, we can imagine that we just completed our Volta sequence. So we just did 5, 6, 7, 8. Initially I said let's do another round turn here. We can, or we can just do a couple of whisks to kind of relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, basic, basic. Yeah, just a little 8 there to kind of cool out. The next thing we did was a reverse turn. Instead of going forward, he's doing forward side cross. Instead of going back, he's doing back side close. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we did another basic for 8. So separate from going. I'll show the feet. Zoom up. Look at the feet. Just a basic, I'll do it from the lady's perspective too. 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know what I mean? These walks just like that. It's forward, side, cross front, back, side, close. Repeat. Forward, side, cross front, back, side, close. The ladies do the same thing. They just commence with the back side close spot. So they've just done 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, side, close, forward, side, cross. Repeat. Back, side, close, forward, side, cross. Basic. Now, next week we'll talk about the alignments and things. Right now we're trying to go down the floor. We'll just dance just that much once more. We did basic for, I'm sorry, I'll do the, let's say we're at the end of our Volta sequence. I'll go with my right foot for 5, 6, 7, 8, should go with that one for 5, 6, 7, 8. We did 2 whisks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pick up the reverse turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we went back to basic.